To help your child be the greatest robotics engineer in the world, we Omotech, a Mumbai-based robotics company, offer a wide range of stimulating, educational, STEAM and robotics programs. Our young and vibrant Omotech engineers will make sure that your child gets the best education that they need to be future ready. Our advanced Omotech RoboKits will help in building your child's logical thinking and problem-solving skills. Allow us to make your kids learn to think innovatively from an early age, enriching their imagination. Learning is fun when you join the fun. Become a coding and robotics expert because you can be the next one. Book a free trial here, where innovation and learning never stops.